Hello, welcome to Frits Jurgens Tech. Let's get going. I will take you through Frits Jurgens System M pivot hinge in just 1 minute. System M is a self-closing pivot system that offers adjustable soft close and hydraulic back check. This adjustability feature is called damper control. It allows you to adjust the door's movement to your liking. System M is ideal for side placement. It has hold positions at every 90-degree angle. This way, you can determine the door's spatial impact. System M is suitable for lots of different types of applications. Single and double acting doors, interior and exterior, with and without door frames. Pivot doors with System M can rotate 90 or 180 degrees. This system has 4 weight classes and can support pivot doors that weigh up to 210 kilograms. If you have questions about Frits Jurgens System M pivot hinge, comment below and we will answer.